Actually, you may not know what day it is. Today is not March. It's April the 2nd, and it's a Monday. But as you can see from my workout essentials for today, it's leg day. The high volume, I just wanted to show how it looked, just in case I couldn't put a picture of it. But I'm gonna see how it works with my leg days today. I tried it, I don't remember when I tried it, but I did an arm workout that day, and so it worked pretty well. But the real test is how it works with a leg workout, if it gives me enough boost to get through my workout and push more. You know what I mean? I actually feel pretty good. Like, I don't necessarily need a pre-workout, but I'm gonna drink it anyways because I still want to try it. Still want a good pump, and it doesn't have caffeine, so it's not gonna like accelerate my heart or anything like that. So yes, and I have my hair up in a really snatched bun because I put oil in my hair. So I have castor oil and olive oil in my hair, and you can probably see it's really greasy, but I want to go to the gym and sweat it out before I wash it all out. It's just what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'll let you know how the high volume pre-workout does on my leg day. So see you later, alligators. Hello everyone. So it's still excuse me, still April 2nd, but I am just coming back to let you know how my workout went. It went awesome. So one thing I noticed with the pre-workout was that I felt more of a burn, more of a, like, whatever part of your leg I was working out, which I was trying to focus more on the gluteus. Like, you could really feel it, and that's like the pump that you get from the pre-workout. But yeah, I hadn't experienced that in a while, so it hurt, like, in a good way, you know, like you felt like you were working out your muscle. The blood was gushing, you know, coming to aid your muscle. But yeah, overall it was a really good workout. I'll have to test it out on a day when I don't have energy, because I actually did have quite a bit of energy to begin with, but I wanted to see how the pump aspect of the pre-workout worked. The protein, the vegan protein, it's the peanut butter delight from P Science. That one I've been liking, in terms it doesn't give me like bloated feeling. So I really like that. The taste is but it's better than other proteins, vegan proteins that I've tried. I feel like I've already said this somewhere. I don't know, in case I haven't. There you go again. So hope you all went to the gym, and see ya tomorrow. Hello YouTube friends, today is April 3rd and it's a Tuesday, and I just finished my back workout. I actually didn't think I was gonna come to the gym, but because I was having a lousy day in the morning, but you know, I changed the gears in my mind and was like, hey girl, gotta go to the gym. So I did, and I have to go home, get ready for school. Yeah. Alright, well, that's my Tuesday. Hope y'all went to the gym on a Tuesday. Okay, bye. It's Friday, April 6th, and just got back from the gym. I just did a little bit of chest, and then towards the end, just a little bit of legs, like whatever. I actually didn't really feel like going to the gym today, but I still went, and now I feel Like I want to keep going, but they closed the gym so early on a Friday. But at least I got something in, and I'm happy because when I worked out chesticles, I didn't feel so weak. I actually did pretty good amount of weight, so I was happy about that. But yeah, now I'm gonna eat and then shower, shower, and then go to bed. So. Hey everyone, today is Wednesday, April 11th, and I think it's the first time I'm going to be going to the gym this week. I had a really big paper due yesterday, so I just like couldn't think of doing anything. Well, I did want to go to the gym, but I procrastinated on that paper, so I had to sacrifice what I wanted to do in order to get what I had to do done. But here I am at the gym. I want to do legs today, but it depends on... No, I will do legs today, even if it's just with dumbbells. Gym doesn't seem too packed. Well, by the parking lot. So, I don't know, but yay!
Hey guys, we're back together again.
Finally at the gym together.
Yay.
Yay, we're gonna work on arms.
So look out for, well actually this will be after, but we will be having a video up on a workout for arms so that you can work out at home. Just kidding, at the gym with arms. Okay? Okay. Starting off with some cardio. Hey, hey, hey. Panting like a duck. Okay, before I lose my balance. So we just finished our workout. Boop, boop.
Got that pump. Pump. Ow. It hurts.
So make check out our little HEARN workout. It'll be somewhere up here already done for you. So go check that out.
It's a killer one.
Yep. It's a short one, but a goodie. A shorty, but a goodie. Like us! So, yes. We forgot to say what date it is today.
Saturday.
It's Saturday, April the 14th. So we're halfway through the month.
Yay!
And yeah. Okie dokie. Now we're gonna go get.
Now we're gonna go get pizza.
Pizza! I don't tell anyone, okay?
I just came back from the gym. Ooh, pink lighting. No. Bad lighting. Hold up. A little better. I just came back from the gym. I did a little clip in the locker room, but I didn't say anything because I don't like talking in front of people. Oh. Yeah. But today is Sunday, April 15th, and I went to the gym and did some legs. Yeah, everything felt really heavy today though. So I did like less weight than I normally would, but it's okay. Always listen to your body and your mind, but still try to push. I still try to push. But yes, but now I'm gonna shower, take all this makeup off. I mean, I didn't put the makeup to go to the gym. I went to church and then I went to the gym, so that's why I still have some on, but yes. So we ended this week. All right. And I'm gonna try to make this next week. No. Stop saying try and just do. This next week is gonna be better. In terms of me going to the gym more often. I forgot how many times I went this gym. I can't think. Okay. I don't remember what I was saying. Probably wasn't important. Okay. Okay, bye. Hey everyone, today is Monday, April 16th, and I'm about to go to my Pilates session, so I'm really excited. I've been very anxious the past 2 days, so yesterday and today. I don't know what it is. I think it's because my class is coming to an end and I just want it to be over, but I still have final projects to do, and I don't know, but my heart's been racing a lot and just been feeling overwhelmed. But this Pilates will, I think, calm me down. It'll help me focus on my breathing, which is what I really need to do. And hopefully I can feel better. Excited to do my Pilates class. I think I'm going to do 2 sessions today because I get unlimited sessions in a day. Like I get 4 sessions in a month, but I can do unlimited whatever day I decide to come. If I had more time, I would do like way more, but yeah. So here I go. Yay me doing it while I have anxiety. Driving here was oof, but I'm happy that I'm here. Well, I'm in the parking lot, but yeah. So here I go. Monday workouting. Hey everyone, I'm back again in my car, but I'm outside the gym of CBU. I'm about to probably do some schoolwork first. They have like a little lounge area, and then I'm gonna work out. So I just ate and I feel full still, so, and I don't want to go to the library because I don't like moving from place to place. So yeah, I'm just gonna read my book for a little while until my stomach digests the food a little more, and then I'm gonna do legs today. I'm trying to do legs every other day depending on my soreness. Today I am gonna do deadlifts and hip thrust, and I like doing deadlifts here at the CBU gym because they have the rubber plates, like the Olympian rubber plates, the ones that are like yellow, blue, green, and red, and black. But yeah, I found those better for deadlifting because they absorb the shock of when you like let the weight go when it's too heavy, if that makes sense. But yeah, so it's April, I don't know if I said it, but it's April 17th and it's a Tuesday. Hey. Alrighty, we'll see you all in the gym. Just kidding, I'm not gonna film. One day I will get the confidence to. I'm still getting comfortable talking to the camera, so I'm trying. Okay, alright, bye. Good morning, YouTube fam. We are on our way. Huh? Oh no, we didn't get IHOP. That's just some green juice. This is also not a Minute Maid juice. It's just a green juice that Mimi prepared for us because we're going to the gym together, and we're over here out in, do you see
Eagle Rock.
In Eagle Rock. Yeah. We're hippy dippy. I'm just kidding. I don't know. But yeah, what are you wanting to work on today? I personally was gonna do legs, but I don't know what you want.
Yeah, we can do it.
Alright, so we'll do some variation of legs, and we might film it, so watch out for a video. Alrighty then, toodaloo! Until next time, or a little bit in the gym if we get the confidence to. Alright.
I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense.
just worked out the booty. Look at that pump. Oh. I did heavy hip thrusts, so you know they're good.